My name is Ryan Samuels. I'm the general manager at War Horse Harley-Davidson in Ocala, Florida. So when I got out of the Marine Corps, I actually became a police officer in Jacksonville, Florida. I did that for a few years, but my passion was always Harley-Davidson. I started on June 1st, and for the month of June, we sold more bikes than they ever had at the history of War Horse Harley-Davidson. The previous record was 77 in 1 month, and that was in March. We did 103 in June. The main thing that contributed to that was just a very positive mental attitude and doing what's right by the customer and making them know and understand that we are here for them. Harley-Davidson is traditional, historical Americana. It's a complete subculture of the United States that has spread throughout the world. Those who ride, man, they ride, and they'll get on a bike and they'll go cross country. They'll go up to Canada, they'll go down through South America. It's in every state, just about in every city across the United States. So no matter where you are, no matter where you're riding, no matter where you're traveling, you're gonna run into the other Harley people. And those people will welcome you with open arms. People you've never met before, you share that bond of the big pistons and the open road and the dust and the wind, and it will carry you through your trip. Harley-Davidson is the original OG bikers. They invented the twin cam. Every motorcycle has features, right? Whether it's Kawasaki, Honda, Indian, but the core beginning of those motorcycles come from Harley-Davidson's design. The primary role here is improving the customer experience. That's going to be my main focus, making sure our customers feel welcome and cared for so that they come back to us. And we want to make sure that we're sticking to the brotherhood and sisterhood that's inside traditions of Harley-Davidson. Riding Harleys is a family. We're going to bring that family atmosphere of helping each other back to this dealership and to make sure it's at its top performing level when it comes to our customers and helping each other and helping people in the community. And the way we're going to bring that family Harley culture back to War Horse is number one, events. We're going to have a lot more events here. Every month, the last weekend of the month, we're going to have our Biker Bash, welcoming our customers back and thanking them for their business. Here at War Horse, we respect and we appreciate our service members who have done a tremendous amount and have given a lot of sacrifice for our country and our community. When I got here, there was no military discount, and that was one of the first things that I implemented. 10% off of parts and accessories for all active duty and prior military and civil service workers as well. The third thing I did is come up with a very convenient and affordable maintenance plan that's available on all Harley-Davidsons, includes all your factory required services for 3 years, and pickup and delivery as well. So all you have to do is give us a phone call. We come to your house, we pick it up, we do the service, then we drop it off back to you within 60 miles of the dealership at no additional charge. So those are just a few things that we implemented here to improve the customer experience. There's going to be a tremendous amount more coming down the pipeline. Every day we're trying to improve, we're trying to get better. We meet weekly and evaluate the week to see what we can do better for our customers. So as those new programs come out, we're going to announce them and release them on social media. So make sure you follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and stay tuned for those announcements. We want everybody enjoying the lifestyle, coming to us for anything that they need, because that's what we're here for. We're here to serve the Harley community and to make sure that you stay on two wheels and love what you do, like me.
Yeah. All right, let's get after it.